In today's video, I bring you a super swing trading strategy for cryptocurrencies. This strategy can be used on the time frame from 1 hour onwards, on any type of cryptocurrency. The indicators that we will use will be the super trend indicator, the QQE MOD, and the trend indicator AV2. In my case, I will be using the strategy on Ethereum on the 1 hour chart. The first thing we will have to do is select the super trend indicator. We will put this indicator with a parameter of 9 and 3.9. After this, we will select the QQE MOD indicator. For this indicator, we will only deactivate the white line that comes by default. Finally, we will select the trend indicator. To this indicator, we will put the parameters of 52 and 10. The rules for opening a buy trade are simple. First of all, we must wait for the super trend to be green and the QQE to show like blue bars. If these two things are met, we will carry out the buy operation. We will place our stop loss below the band of the trend indicator and the take profit in a risk-benefit ratio of 2 to 1, that is, twice our stop loss. To carry out a sell operation, the process is somewhat similar. First, we must wait for the super trend to be red and the QQE to show pink bars. If these two things are fulfilled, we will carry out the sell operation. We will place our stop loss above the band of the trend indicator and the take profit in a risk-benefit ratio of 2 to 1, that is, twice our stop loss. Now, let's see some examples. And ready. I hope this strategy has been useful to you. Do not forget that before trying it with real money, you need to try it in a demo account so that you can put it into practice by yourself. Do not forget to subscribe so as not to miss any strategy, as we upload the best strategies every week.